Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to use or create scatter plot in Alteryx. So scatter plot is generally used to understand the relationship between two variables. So let me quickly show you the dataset which I am using. So I am using a dataset which consists of three variables. So actually two variables. One is your year. So here is not a variable for the analysis. Two variables. One is actual. Actual stands for actual contribution raised for a particular campaign. So this is the number of dollar amount raised by 23,078 employees of a company in year 1988 and so on. Right. So I want to understand what is the relationship between these two variables. So in order to do that, I have to use a scatter plot. Right. If I want to do it graphically, otherwise I can use correlation analysis as well. So you for correlation analysis you can go to how to perform correlation analysis in Alteryx. Right, so there's a video already available for that. So just drag and drop this scatter plot tool onto your canvas. Make sure it is linked to your input dataset. It will open a configuration panel where it will ask you about what is your horizontal, what is your x variable. So here you can choose number of employees, what's your y variable, vertical axis, say actual contribution. So yeah, for here, here you can also select whether it's binary or not. Plot element, you can choose whether you want a smooth line or not. I don't want it. I don't want marginal blocks, box plot, and so on. Go to style option. Here you can assign the name of x and y labels and other aesthetics of this particular chart. Graphical option, you can determine the size of this particular plot. Let it be 3.5 inches in both height and length or breadth. Right, you can choose the centimeters from here, choose the resolution of graph and so on. Once you hit this run button, it will run this particular workflow. But here the catch is that you have to you know use the browse tool, because here you are producing a chart. So in order to use the browse tool, go to your in and out tab, or if it is present in your favorite tab, just drag it and drop it onto your canvas, and make sure it is linked to the output of scatter plot. Now again hit run button. This will take a few seconds to run this particular workflow. 62% complete. Seconds, right? So this is your scatter plot. The actual variable is on your y-axis, employees on your x-axis. These points are the scatter points, and this is the line of best fit for this particular chart. So this shows that there is a linear and positive relationship between actual contribution and number of employees present in that company. I hope you are able to follow this. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.